A very good morning to one and all. Today we are going to revise chapter the body movements. All living organisms shows movement. सारे के सारे living organisms क्या करते हैं, वो movement show करते हैं. We observe many movements in our body. हम अपनी body में भी बहुत सारे movements देखते हैं. When we chew and grind the food we move our jaws and teeth also. The heart contracts and expands to circulate blood to all the parts of the body. We see objects around us by moving our eyeballs. The chest moves back and forth when we breathe. जब हम breathe करते हैं तो हम relax करते हैं, inhale करते हैं, फिर exhale करते हैं, फिर inhale करते हैं, फिर exhale करते हैं, तो वो movement होती है back and forth. The change in the position of any part of the body with respect to its axis is called movement. Plants also shows movement. For example, leaves of mimosa plant moves when we touch them. The flowers of daisy plant move at night. Movement is necessary for the survival of all the living organisms. Living organisms के survival के लिए movement जो है बहुत ज़रूरी है. What is the importance of movement? Movement की importance क्या है? Animals move in search of water and food. They move to protect themselves from their enemies and predators. They move from unfavorable environment to the favorable environment, and they find places for laying eggs and rearing their young ones. Young ones को rear करने के लिए, eggs को lay करने के लिए they move to a favorable place. Now what is skeletal system? Skeletal system क्या है? हमारी बोन्स का, हमारी बॉडी में जो फ्रेमवर्क है दैट इज़ नोन एज स्केलेटन. और स्केलेटन जो है एक ह्यूमन बॉडी का, एक ह्यूमन का, दैट इज़ मेड अप ऑफ 206 बोन्स. हाउ डू यू नो द शेप ऑफ ह्यूमन बॉडी? ह्यूमन बॉडी की शेप हमें कैसे पता चलेगी? वी गेट सम आइडिया अबाउट द शेप एंड नंबर ऑफ बोन्स इन सम पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी बाय फीलिंग देम. जब हम उन्हें फील करते हैं. अनदर वे इज़ एक्सरे इमेज. एक्सरे से हमें पता चल सकता है कि कहाँ पर हमारी बॉडी में कितनी बोन्स हैं. अ चाइल्ड हैज़ मोर देन an adult person has more bones than an adult person, around 300 bones. But as a child grows, जैसे जैसे बच्चा बड़ा होता है, ग्रो होता है, some of the bones fuse with together and they reduce in number. वो जैसे जैसे बच्चे बड़े होते हैं वो फ्यूज़ हो जाती हैं कुछ बोन्स और वो 206 रह जाती हैं, नंबर रिड्यूस हो जाता है उनका. ना स्केलेटल सिस्टम का फंक्शन क्या है, उसकी क्या ज़रूरत है, उसका फंक्शन क्या है, क्या काम करता है? इट गिव्स शेप एंड सपोर्ट टू आवर बॉडी. बॉडी को शेप और सपोर्ट देता है. इट गिव्स प्रोटेक्शन टू डेलिकेट इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स. डेलिकेट इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स को प्रोटेक्ट करता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्कल जो है वो प्रोटेक्ट करता है ब्रेन को. रिबकेज प्रोटेक्ट करता है हार्ट और लंग्स को. बैकबोन प्रोटेक्ट करती है हमारी स्पाइनल कोड को. नाउ इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स इन मूवमेंट ऑफ अवर बॉडी पार्ट्स. बॉडी पार्ट्स के मूवमेंट में भी ये हमारे हेल्प करता है. नाउ व्हाट आर द पार्ट्स ऑफ आवर स्केलेटन? पार्ट्स क्या हैं? स्कल, स्पाइन मीन्स बैकबोन, रिबकेज, लिम्स एंड गर्डल आर द पार्ट ऑफ आवर skeleton. Now human body and its movements. In this we will learn about the joints. Like bones are joined to each other at different places. Bones जो है एक दूसरे के साथ joined है different places पर. And the place where two or more bones join is called a joint. वो जगह जहाँ पर दो या दो से ज़्यादा bones जो है मिलती हैं, मीट करती हैं, that is a joint. Bones are joined by tough flexible band of elastic tissue, that is ligament, and end of the bones forming a joint is lined with a tough layer of elastic tissue, that is a cartilage. Cartilage is present in our ears, lower part of our ear, our nose also, in front part of our nose also, that is a soft tissue. Now types of joints. There are 3 types of joints: immovable joints, slightly movable joints and freely movable joints. Immovable joints are also called fixed joints. They do not allow any movement between the bones. वो हमारे bones में कोई movement नहीं होती. Like the bones of skull are interlocked with each other except the lower jaw bones. Lower jaw जो है हमें chew करने में help करती है, हमारी movable bone है. बट बाकी जो हमारे स्कल की बोन्स हैं दोज आर इंटरलॉक्ड विद ईच अदर, मीन्स दे आर फिक्स्ड. नाउ स्लाइटली मूवेबल जॉइंट. These joints allow very little movement due to the presence of flexible cartilage between their bones, like joints present between the adjacent vertebrae in the backbone. Another type of joint is freely movable joint. In freely movable joints, most of the joints in the human body are freely movable. They can be further classified into 4 different types: ball and socket joint, hinge joint, pivotal joint, and gliding joint. Ball and socket joint. In this type of joint, ball shaped end of one bone is fit into the cup shaped socket of other bone. This joint allows maximum movement in all the directions. The joints of the shoulder and hip are the examples of ball and socket joint. Now hinge joint. A hinge joint is like hinges in the door. We have hinges in our elbows, fingers, knees and toes. They allows movement only in one direction, either up and down or back and forth, only in one direction. Another one is pivot joint. When our neck joins the head, it is pivot joint. It allows us to bend our head forward, backward and turn to our right and left. Gliding joint is a kind of joint that allows bones to glide over each other, providing little movement in all the directions. Gliding joints are found between wrist and ankles. Now, in this chapter, we will discuss some question answers also. Like how many girdles are there in human body? There are 2 types of girdles, that is pectoral girdle and pelvic girdle. Pectoral girdle is shoulder and pelvic girdle is our hip. What kind of arrangement is found in ball and socket joint? In ball and socket joint, we see a ball shaped bone is fit into the hollow cup shaped socket of another bone, and it allows movement in all the directions. How many legs does a cockroach have? It has 3 pairs of legs. Where do we find hinge joint in our body? In our elbow, knees, fingers and toes we see hinge joint. 4 type of movable joints in our body are ball and socket joint, hinge joint, pivot joint and gliding joint. Fishes have fins for swimming. Yes, they have fins. What else? Why a child have 300 bones whereas an adult has grown up bigger in a size, has only 206 bones? Because some bones fuse with other bones when children grow up, and they left with 206 bones only. Function of rib cage is to protect our heart and lungs. Fixed joints are the joints that do not allow any movement between the bones. The example is the bones of skull except lower jaw. Why animals move from one place to another? In search of food, water, to unfavorable environment to favorable condition, to protect themselves from their enemies and predators. Why we cannot move our elbow backward? Because there is hinge joint present in our elbow and it allows movement only in one direction. This was all in this chapter. Thank you everyone.